Well, the origins are with my parents, Lee and Ruth Titus. We were born and raised, me and my brothers, in Sonoma, California. We lived there since the late 50s. My father had a medical practice over there and bought this property in 1969. So we're actually celebrating our 50th year of farming and presence in Napa Valley. For the first 20 years, we were strictly growing fruit and selling the fruit off to local wineries. And we slowly evolved through the 90s, incrementally growing the brands. In the late 90s, early 2000s, we cut off all the outside contracts and continued to keep all the fruit here for Titus.
We're at the narrowest part of the valley, we have a real confluence of kind of the weather of the northern part of the valley. We're right by the river. We have a really sandy soil type with some nice gravel mixed in. When people order a bottle of our Reserve Cabernet, we want them to taste the intensity and the concentration and the viscosity of that kind of rocky soil. From the growing of the grapes and then throughout our fermentation. We want freshness, tannin balance, fruit expression to be present for the people that are going to drink that wine at the end of the day.